Good morning, folks. Wes at Lochmandy Chevrolet Buick. I hope you're having a great morning. You might remember this truck, and you might be picking up on a few of the clues that we gave earlier. This is a truck that we've already done a lift to, but the customer decided that, well, quite frankly, it wasn't big enough. Even though he's gone with larger tires and he went with 2 inches in front and back, it's just not big enough for his taste. So we're going to be installing a ReadyLIFT 4-inch front, 3-inch rear SST lift kit. It's going to be really cool when we're done. Stay tuned, you'll see all the changes that this truck goes through.
So out with the old and in with the new. New cast lift blocks for the rear, along with bump stop extensions and shock extensions. Up front, we removed the old upper control arms and strut extenders and replaced with new upper control arms for camber adjustment and strut spacers top and bottom. A complete kit from top to bottom and front to back, ready to go. So folks, here's the end result. 4-inch front, 3-inch rear, ReadyLIFT suspension. Standing tall, looking good. If we can help you with your truck to customize it in some way like this or some other way, give us a call at 574-546-3333. Have a great day.